Now, how do you get a featured image without getting, without having this copyright ban? Majorly when you go to Google and Co, you find a whole lot of images with copyright ban. But one thing we advise: don't just go to Google and pick pictures. If you can go to site like Unsplash and Pixels, you find some free to use copyright pictures. But still, if you go to Google, if you search for Davido, you want to look for images that don't have brands on it, like don't have any company logo or anything like that on it. And then maybe there's possibility of that not having any copyright on it. And then you will see if, like, Pulse, like this is the image Pulse is using. So I feel like because it's there already, there's no need for you to go use that. What I will look for is something more free, something more easy for you to use, something that doesn't have much label right and all of that, or anything attached to it. Sometimes I'll prefer taking some images that are posted on Instagram, Facebook, or those social media, because trust me, those ones most times it might just be the video himself that posted it, and it makes it a whole lot easier for you though. So let's just search for one picture to use. You know what? There's something else you can do. If you know how to use Canva, if you have a little knowledge of it, but I'm going to explain it to you right now. So basically, come to this place here. Just go to canva.com. Create an account with Canva. It's not too difficult. Once you create an account with Canva, like I have done, you can now go and look for, what is it called? Layouts like this, like picture layouts that have maybe 2 columns or 3 columns, something like that. And then just go back to Google. Now at this point, I can just go back to Google and pick any of 2 Davido's pictures. Like, let's say I need this. So I come down here, save as JPG. And then I go here. I'll also save it as JPG. So I save this as a JPG. I also save this as a JPG. So I go back to Canva. I just simply drag those 2 pictures, upload those 2 pictures, come here, click on upload. So I just go back here. So these are the 2 Davido pictures I saved just recently. And then let it load up on Canva. And here's what I'll just drag this, place it here. Drag this, place it here. Please make sure you use better pictures. These ones don't look real clean right now, but just make sure you use better pictures. This one I'm using it to just show you how to post. This content might not appear, or when you see it on the page it might look different totally, but this is just how you can get pictures that won't get you a copyright ban or anything like that. So then you come here, you rename it, you say Davido. You might want to say Davido. It's good to rename your pictures actually, so that they will show up whenever somebody is searching for Davido. So you just click on share, and to this place that says download, you simply download it. So you've downloaded this successfully. Now you go back to your post content. Now we want to set this featured image. Now, this is your upload library. This is your media library rather. So these are all the pictures you've used on the site. Majorly, you just want to go and upload new image, and you select file. So when you click on select file, this is the photo we just edited using Canva. Now you allow it to load you just set up in the alt text file. Make sure you always add something here, because alt text file is the only way Google, all those search crawlers are able to determine what an image is all about. So I want to say Davido. Make sure you always name all your featured image, guys. Alright, then you search featured image. So that's just how you set your featured image. At this other point here, you might also want to add some images. For example, just the same way we saw on Gemini. Gemini actually brought up some images here. Like this is the right way to actually post any content. So you might want to get this kind of images, blew my mind. You get a copy of it and then you add to your post. So you can add those images. You add an image here. The way you can add images here is simple, actually. So you can come down. Sometimes, because of the internet, my system seems to be hanging and causing a whole lot of issue right now. So this is 2021. So basically you can come here, you can add different pictures, and also you can come down. So let me see if somehow the internet is too slow and it's disturbing the content. So here, most times when you click on this box here, it will bring out a pop-up like you might, if you want to add something. Let's click on it again. So yeah, if you click on this, it will open a box that's for you to add a YouTube video. So if you want to add a YouTube video, just input the link here, you embed the YouTube video, and that's it. For the YouTube video will just pop up. And then also if you want to create for an image, like you want to get a picture, like what you have here, you set it up, it will, you'll be able to select, then you go back to the media library and select whatever image you want to, and then you just add it, it will load up here. Also, you can do for anything actually. This is how you just edit your content and make them better. So, but since I don't need this, I'm just going to delete them. I'm just going to delete all of them. So what I'm doing is I'm just clicking on it and clicking on delete button on my keyboard. So that's more like it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to try and set my to set this up. This is your SEO basically, and you want to set it up so it's good. It has a huge advantage of showing up on Google search engines. So basically you want to make sure that you comply to all of this. This is the content is saying more than 160. So what you want in your meta description should not be more than 160 basically. So I'm just going to go pick maybe the introduction here. Sorry, this is the internet is slow, so it's affecting the whole video. So you just set up your meta description. You want a 3, I think that's fair, and a focus key phrase. This focus key phrase is now your keywords. You want to set up good keywords. All of these are SEO stuff that maybe later on I'll have to explain to you. I'll do a separate video on how to set up good keyword, how to do keyword research so that you can get proper views. But for now, let's just say the video. the video collaborations. So later on, I'm going to be creating a content and setting up proper SEO to make sure that all of these guys here show green, and then you are getting me at least 99% over 100 when it comes to this, guys here. So that will be for another video, but for today, let's just go ahead and create our post and then see how it works, how it looks there. But so you go back here, you look into this, and yes, we have entertainment. Let's see this. Yeah, there's another category for music. So you can pick two categories basically. So entertainment and music. So we are right? So you just continue. At this point, you just want to hit your publish button. So you just go ahead and publish. Now it says post published. Let's view post. So you can go here, click to view post, or you simply go to your website homepage and then just to view the post. So it's loading. So this is what our post looks like right now. So this is what our post looks like. It's looking good, right? Yeah. So if you go back to homepage, you see it. So for every latest post will appear here. This is like the front page, like for all latest posts will appear. So that's just how you can create your content. So this is one content. If I wasn't teaching, I could have created maybe 5 or even 7 contents with this time I've used to explain this this video right now. Basically, this is how you can go grab a whole lot of content. There are other sites apart from Pulse. You can actually go to Legit. You find something like this. You look at all this content. I saw something like this. If you like, if you think it's cool to post, well, you can use it. So this is Sam Larry forgets to lock comment section as he celebrates in Olinsky. This will say, I will cry bitterly. Now, when you click on one of these posts, another thing you can do is, even if you don't really want to go and start writing from scratch, you can just come here and copy the entire content, like just copy everything, and then go to Gemini. When you get to Gemini, just rewrite this content and make it as human as possible. When you say that to Gemini, it's going to generate another, it's going to rewrite that kind of content, but you generate something different, and then you go ahead and post it. With that, you are not, you are doing your work faster and makes it a whole lot easy. So this is basically how you can do that. Also, you can go to other sites like there's so many sites. Just go online. If you want to talk on lifestyle, go and look for lifestyle blogs online. This is also Punch. You can go there. You can source for articles. You can source for write-up. But any article you get from them, just make sure you go to Gemini and tell it to rewrite the content or the article, and then you make sure you get a certain featured image, and then just make sure the content is proper. I'm going to be showing you more on how to create better content, how to create better articles for your blog, and how to set up a proper SEO. So that's just it for today. I think at this point, this video will help you understand better on how to post on your WordPress website or blog. So at this point, I will be signing out. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.